So after we finally made it here and we went and checked out the little lookout spot, and it looks pretty awesome. I've never been up to this state park, so this is something new for me. I think it looks pretty cool. Hopefully we see some pretty cool stuff today. Are we going? Here.
Around the knob.
All right, children. Stupid bug. Jeez.
It's always something. You know, it's a full moon today, right?
Yeah.
So you need to be extra careful. That would explain my bad night last night.
Or whatever. Off the top.
Yeah. I got a picture of my dad up there. There you go.
Oh. Oh. Ain't off the side of the rock. Oh. So high. You want me hang off? What if I fall? I've never been up here. I've never been up here. That's what I'm saying. This is all cool.
Corey, when you were a
I've been to
baby,
Hanging
I
Rock and climbed up
carried
the waterfalls
you
and
through
stuff
this.
like that.
Have you done the peak? Yeah.
At Hanging
Hanging
Rock?
Rock.
Yes.
Oh, that one's cool.
Dad, be careful.
One
You're
trail
really
that
close
goes
to the edge.
around, it's called Spring Edge, I think.
Uh-huh.
And it's not one for the kids. I wouldn't
So
take
it's something
kids.
like me and you need to come on Leaves and Women with the kids.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Because last time we scaled it, it's like, you got like these half ledges you gotta crawl across to get to the other side of the trail.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Oh yeah.
That what?
Pilot Mountains rafting. There was like a big, like a fire out here one time, and they right at April Fools, so they said that Pilot Mountain was erupting and people were buying it.
Really?
Yeah.
People scared?
Yeah, because this is, I mean, it's a dormant, it's a dead dormant volcano.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, that's not Hanging Rock. What is that?
High Rock. Not High Rock.
It's not High Rock.
Hanging Rock, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
But I saw the towers on top.
Hanging Rock's way back. The first one is Buffalo Mountain, I believe.
It's better than mine because I can't see no tower. You're right.
I'm pretty
That-
certain.
oh,
first
it's over there on
mountain
the
ridge is
left.
Buffalo.
Is it tree blocking?
Yeah. If you squat down,
Oh,
you can
okay.
see
I
on the
do
left
see it
mountain.
now. Okay.
It's called, you see how it has that hump on it, like a buffalo hump,
Yeah.
where the towers are?
Oh, look at the burn.
That's cool. Sawyer, come here.
How cool is that?
Here.
Is that the staircase? Really, really big stairs? I'm glad there's not as many bugs up here this time. Or right now.
Usually, when we come in the summer, well, on this side it is, but on the colder side it's not.
Well, that was crazy. It was like we got out of the car and got attacked by little bugs.
Nick, hold up, bud. But they were just gnats. It wasn't like, oh, yes.
Well, I know. But still, gnats are annoying. There's rock, all the
When I
different
was little,
colors.
there was like hornets everywhere.
So, Johnny, can you identify all these? Different separations?
It's so,
That's crazy.
Look, John, here. It's huge. There's another
Oh, there's two of them.
he's gonna get one of the kids. I don't know, man.
Looks like a bunch of like the water lines and stuff like you see on the
Looks
Discovery
like a
Channel
lot
and
of
stuff.
sandstone and slate. Shell.
It's cool seeing it though, how it's all mixed together.
It's busting as hell. Oh, that's cool.
Must be the halfway point. Take
Yeah.
a chill. No, like there's any more rocks to sit on around here.
Right there on the way. Oh, Lord, that's your food. And
Just chilling.
get some drink right there, baby. I'll share with you. But we're going on an adventure. You won't
Alright,
see
how
us for a
y'all
couple
are.
of hours.
Climb this mountain and we're like sweating.
Is there more apples?
I just slept in
I
this
was
one.
just worried about like. What? I'm
Yeah.
trying to find.
Tuck their heads in.
I didn't know if it'd be like crushed or anything.
Now hang it. If we find it, just when you're following us, bear with us. We do drive through a creek to get here. What? Yeah.
I'm all for driving through a creek.
It's a legit place.